Hi, so this is the Miele Blizzard cx1 cat and dog cylinder vacuum cleaner. It has an advanced vortex technology and it's been specially designed with pet owners in mind. Now, if you're anything like me, you have a dog or a pet that molts a lot and your old vacuum cleaner just doesn't cut it, well, this one's definitely for you. My dog is molting really bad at the moment and it's picked all her hair up with ease, which is fantastic. It also contains a HEPA air clean filter. This machine delivers an impressive deep clean and has large storage capacity for the dust and the dirt, which is great, as most of the time we had to empty our old Hoover after one use, but this one I can use it a couple of times without having to empty it. So onto the different buttons now. So this one is the power button, which I'll show you how it works in a moment. This one is for the cord and I'll show you that in just a moment too. We have different settings depending on what it is you're hoovering. So you've got your max, which is like your hard floors, and then your min, which is like your upholstery, your curtains, things like that. And it's also got this little fancy clean system. So it says that it picks up 99.999% of allergens. So if you've got children who suffer with allergies, it'd probably be really good too. But also it picks up all the allergens off the dog and things like that, which is fantastic. So to empty it, it's really simple. You just pop each side and then you can pull out this little handle to carry it. So it's out. And then all you do is push this bit in and the bottom will come out. Simple as. So to get the plug out, you simply come to the back of the machine and pull. Dead simple. And then you can press this button here and that retrieves it back in. But it can be quite vigorous, so just be careful. I have caught my foot on it just. Fab, so I'll show you how it all sounds and works in just a moment. I also like the fact as well that there's a storage thing here, so I'll show you on the pipe in a moment. You can slot it in there or in this part here, if you can see. So for easy storage, depending on where it is you're storing it, it's really great. So on the bottom you can see there is the wheels that swivel. So unlike some of the models of Hoovers I've had in the past, they get stuck. These ones swivel round, so they're really good. And there's 4 of them there. On the back end of the Hoover you can see here there's a storage system. So you've got some other attachments which you can fit in, which are really handy, as I normally lose all the attachments, or at least if they're on the Hoover, I can't lose them. It then also comes with a telescopic pole which you can attach on, which, let's see if I can show you. Can you see all the little dinks? So you can put it all the way up depending on how tall you need it to be and just lock it into each dink. It's really easy to use. You also get with this one the Miele cat and dog head, which is awesome. You can change the airflow there, or there is the Miele Ecotech Plus, and then here again you can switch between what surfaces you're on with the little foot pumps. That's really handy. And then you can see underneath there, these little bits here have been designed to pick up them stubborn bits of dog hair or whatever it is you might have on your carpet. It just makes it go into that section there, so that's fab. And then you also get the Miele SRD fitting as well, and underneath it's quite rubbery, so it'd be great on hard floors like this kitchen here, tiles, anything like that. So I've just popped the hard floor attachment on, seeing as I'm in the kitchen, so I thought I'd show you that. So simply press the power button, and it's not too loud, but you can see down here there's a few bits and bobs that you're picking up. picks it up fantastic, doesn't pull the floor up at all, which my old Hoover used to do. It's really great. I'll show you now on carpet. Now I've just come into the carpeted area to show you how the cat and dog setting works on the carpet. So I'll just pop it on for you. So overall, I'm really impressed with this Hoover. It's the first Hoover like this I've ever used. I've always had uprights. I was a bit reserved to whether I'd be able to store it, but with the easy storage mechanism at the back, it really isn't any bigger than an upright Hoover. It's really good. The capacity on it is really, really handy for me, as I can do a whole house without having to empty it, so that's a big plus. The length of the cable's fantastic, which means going up and down the stairs, hoovering them is just easy. And all the different accessories you get, it's really good. Normally you have to pay a lot for all the different ones from different brands, so I really like it. Thank you. So if you've enjoyed this review and you want us to do some more, please subscribe and pop us a comment. Thank you. Bye.